Are you an adult seeking how to read, or a parent and you need your child to learn how to read as early as possible? Here are the tricks. For you to know or learn how to read, you must first know the consonant and vowel letters, how they sound and how to blend them. Before we go into details, here are the 21 consonant letters and how they sound. Consonant number 1. B. B sounds B, B. Consonant number 2. C. C sounds K, K. Consonant number 3. D. D sounds D, D. Consonant number 4. F. F sounds F. Consonant number 5. G. G sounds G, G. Consonant number 6. H. H sounds Consonant number 7. J. J sounds J, J. Consonant number 8. K. K sounds K, K. Consonant number 9. L. L sounds L. Consonant number 10. M. M sounds M. Consonant number 11. N. N sounds N. Consonant number 12. P. P sounds P, P. Consonant number 13. Q. Q sounds Q, Q. Consonant number 14. R. R sounds R. Consonant number 15. S. S sounds S. Consonant number 16. T. T sounds S, S. Consonant number 17. V. V sounds V, V. Consonant number 18. W. W sounds W, W. Consonant number 19. X. X sounds X, X. Consonant number 20. Y. Y sounds Y, Y. Consonant number 21, the last. Z. And Z sounds Z. Thanks for watching. I'm Tutor Zena. Please subscribe to encourage this channel. See you in our next video.